Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tuner report for Grant in Indiana on the Stryker SR-955. Grant, got it ready to go for you, bud. Our normal tune and alignment, the voltage regulator upgrade, ERF2030 plus MOSFET upgrade, and we widened up the receiver on there, so get your subwoofer ready and your hi-fi sound system ready, because you're gonna hear those big high fidelity stations come through here and they're going to sound really great. So let's go ahead and get right to it. RF power all the way down, 100 watt slug. Set you up at 2 watts as usual. Roll it all the way up. 20 all the way up. Going to show you average power swing. Around 70 bird. 250 watt slug in PEP. And about 120 PEP. Alright, Grant's ready to come to you. I hope you enjoy it from your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump bump.